Alright, so now, this is the last segment.
Oh, no.
No. Okay, no.
More.
Alright, our next segment is called Different Hit.
Oh, different hit.
Alright. Now, for different hit, sino dito ang gustong kiligin?
Oh, wow.
Alright, they want to be like kilig because of you. Now, alam niyo, every time yung mga idols niyo, particularly of course EXO and Chanyeol, whenever they say, I love you in Filipino, parang iba yung dating, di ba? Gusto niyo bang marinig siyang mag-I love you sa inyo in Filipino? Okay. Of course, gusto rin natin yan. Gusto ko rin yan personally. Pero, with a twist. We're gonna give you a bit of challenge in saying it. So what's gonna happen is, he will be saying, mahal kita, with different expressions.
Oh.
And those expressions will be decided by our randomizer. Alright, so you have to say different. You have to say mahal kita with different expressions.
Okay, yes.
Tapos syempre, pag ginawa niya yan, dapat kayo tumili para malaman ng kilig meter kung kinikilig ba talaga kayo. Di ba? Parang kinaantok na si ate dun eh. Ready ka ba dyan ate? Okay, very good. Alright, let's have our first expression.
Yeah, come on.
Kaya today, direct? Okay, there. Oh, woo! Tumili na tayo. Okay. So you have to say, mahal kita while winking. Ayan o, naka-close up o. Direct, close up tayo dyan. Alright, mahal kita while winking. Pag ginawa niyo, dapat tumili ko yung dapat malakas yung sigaw.
Where is my camera?
Huwag niyo ako papahiin.
Okay.
Stand by, and 3, 2, and cue.
Mahal kita.
Okay! Oh, kilig meter, kamusta? Ayan na, kilig meter.
Mahal kita. Come on. 고장났네.
This is broken.
Hanggang dyan lang.
mahal kita. Come on.
Stop moving. It's okay. There's still more. You have to do better.
Okay.
Okay. Ay, makakausap eh. Alright. Our next one is... Strong.
Oh.
Wow.
So
How
hard.
will you do that?
Okay, come on.
Carry. Okay.
Three, two, one. mahal kita. Yeah. This is strong.
One more down. Go.
Next time. Yeah. Okay.
Next time when you take off your jacket, you have to warn us. Because our hearts are...
Okay, sorry.
Guys, hindi pa rin tayo nakaabot sa rurok ng tagumpay ng kilig meter doon. Kailangan mas malakas pa. Ready ba kayo ba for our next question? Okay. So now, let us have our last gesture with him saying, mahal kita. What is gonna be?